The question is not why are you growing a beard? The question is why am I growing a beard and still shaving my balls?
Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa, Barney. Oh, we're playing this again.
我没有勃起，我没有腰，我就是一个煤气坏鬼。唉。
He's been, and he admit, is that yummy?
Right, where we're going to next. So we basically get everything around here. I don't know if it's wise, like going down all the way down this trail just to see this. Maybe it's got some scrap in there, but I guess I'll.
Louis like cheese. Oh, he like him. So cutie.
Thumbelina! I'm literally eating.
She wanted to
And
happen.
you and mommy think this is a fun
Well, we
time.
were hopping. We don't know what you're doing, Dad, but me and Thumbelina are hopping. We're spin dropping. Are we spin dropping?
I could have my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton, but he won't wear nothing on. But I'm open him. Come here, you stinky ass bitch. Come here. Open him. Open him. Open him.
Mink, mink, mink.
Now somebody, anybody, everybody scream!
Taylor's. Oh! 3D.
He's inspecting.
Oh. Do 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 do.
Disrespect your surroundings!